Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix failed to load Custom.dll from the list in Schedule 1. So first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and search on Windows Security and simply open it. Then here go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Protection History. Now here under the Threat Quarantine, simply click on it and hit on Yes. Now, here on the action, click on it and click on Restore. Hit then Yes again. And after that, go back to Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on here, Manage Settings. Scroll down and click on this Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Yes again. Then click on Add an Exclusion. Select File. And here, simply select the Schedule 1 file that you have and click on Open, and that's basically it.